Welcome all of you. Myself Dr. Megha Vijay Patil, Head of the Department of Accountancy in Malti Vasantdada Patil Kanya Mahavidyalaya, Islampur. I have created YouTube channel and this is my first demo video on the topic elements of cost. Firstly, we have to clear the concept of cost. Cost means all expenses incurred by the manufacturer to produce and distribute any article or product. It involves all the expenses relating to production and selling the product. For example, while calculating the cost of dress and some margin of profit to the manufacturer of the dress, we have to consider the cost relating to cloth of the dress, thread, buttons, tailoring charges, supervision charges, depreciation of equipments, rent of workshop, lighting, salaries of clerks, accountants, salesmen, managers of garment manufacturing firm, advertisement, printing, stationery, insurance, packing. All these expenses are taken into consideration while calculating the cost of dress. The elements of cost means the material cost, labor cost and other expenses. There are three elements of cost. It includes material is classified in direct material and indirect material. Labor is also classified as direct labor and indirect labor, and other expenses are also classified into two groups, direct and indirect. Then how the prime cost is calculated? Prime cost means basic cost. Prime cost is the combined cost of direct material, direct labor and direct expenses. What is direct material? Direct material means the material which can be conveniently identified in the product and which can be easily measured. Then direct labor means the labor cost which can be conveniently identified in the product and which can be measured. And direct expenses are those expenses which are specifically incurred for a product other than direct material and direct labor. The direct expenses means the other expenses excluding direct material and direct labor. Then what is the meaning of overheads? Basically, elements of cost is divided into two factors. First is prime cost and another is overheads. In prime cost, the items relating to direct nature are considered, and in overheads, the items of indirect nature are considered. It means overheads are indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses. Further, overheads are classified into three groups. First, factory overheads, second, administrative overheads, and third, selling and distribution overheads. Factory expenses or factory overheads means all the expenses relating to factory. It includes oil, fuel, factory rent, rates, factory insurance, lighting, depreciation of plant and machinery, etc. There is a long list of factory expenses. Then comes administrative overheads. In every business organization, there is an administrative department or office department. And the expenses which related to office and administrative work of business is called as office overheads. Examples of administrative overheads are printing, stationery, postage, telegram, salaries, rent and rates, depreciation of office building, rent and repairs of office building, etc. And final, selling and distribution overheads. These expenses are essential for selling the product. The examples are advertisement, commission of the salesman, discount allowed, bad debts, showroom rent, etc. After calculating the prime cost, we have to calculate the factory cost. How the factory cost is calculated? Factory cost is the total of prime cost and factory overheads. Prime cost means, we discussed earlier, it is the total of direct material plus direct expenses plus direct labor. In prime cost, factory overheads are added and we get the factory cost. Factory cost plus administrative overheads is equal to cost of production. Cost of production is equal to factory cost plus administrative overheads. All the office overheads are added in factory cost. Then we got total cost. And total cost, how calculated? The total cost means the cost of production plus selling and distribution overheads or selling and distribution expenses. Here we got the total cost of production, and it is the most important point for fixing the selling price of the product. How the selling price is calculated? Every businessman is willing to get some profit. It is called as margin, and this margin is added in total cost and he fixes the selling price. Finally, I have prepared this structure of cost is as the prime cost is equal to direct material plus direct labor plus direct expenses. Then factory cost is calculated by adding prime cost plus factory expenses. Then we got cost of production. It is calculated as works cost plus administrative expenses. And the total cost is calculated as cost of production plus selling and distribution overheads. And after calculating total cost, the businessman or manufacturer of the product adds some margin. It is called as net profit, and he got the selling price. This is also calculated by preparing the statement of cost or elements of cost sheet. It is very useful for breakup of the total cost. It shows total cost as well as cost per unit, and it is helpful for fixing the selling price. This topic is very useful for the management and the cost department also. Thank you.